Composing and sending a message is a simple, linear process in the platform. In this video, I'll walk you through the process from start to finish. For more detailed explanations of each step, check out the additional training pages or videos in this help section. Click on the New Email Quick link to start composing a manual email. In the flyout, you'll also see an option for automated. Setting up an auto-response message follows a very similar process. For details, view the Automated Messages tutorial. The system walks you through the 7 steps of sending an email. The first step is selecting which template you'd like to use for your message. For more details on this step, see the Select Template help page. Next is the Compose step. Fill in the required fields at the top of the message. Then enter your message info in the content area. Use the toolbar to edit your layout, format your copy, add images, links, and more. For more information on the toolbar functions, see the editor tutorials. Click Save to save changes to your message as you edit. You can check the autosave button if you'd like to save your changes every 60 seconds. But if by chance another user is in the same message making edits, you'll end up just overwriting each other's changes, which isn't fun for anyone. Click Next to save your changes and continue to the next step. This is the Preview Test step. From here, you can preview the HTML and text version of your message, preview messages for a selected contact, send test messages, and run pre-flight checks. Sending a pre-flight check will give you data on how your message looks to the major email clients and spam filters. When you submit a message for pre-flight check, you'll have to wait anywhere from 5 to 15 minutes to start seeing results come back. This tool will return samples of your message from the inboxes of popular email clients, as well as mobile and desktop devices, to help ensure that your HTML and graphics are rendering properly. This pre-flight check will also send your message to the top 8 spam filters to determine whether or not your message is likely to get through. If something looks off in your message rendering or you don't pass a spam filter, use the back button to edit the message accordingly before sending. After you've thoroughly tested and pre-flighted your email and decided that everything looks great, go ahead and click Next to go to the Select Group step. In this step, you'll choose which contact lists will receive your message. Just check the boxes next to the lists that you want to send to. You can also add individual contacts in the text box at the top. For more detail on this step, check out the Select Group video. When you've selected your groups, click Next to move on. The Schedule step allows you to set a message to send at a later time. To schedule your message for future delivery, choose a date and time and click Next. If you don't need to set a schedule, just skip this step. For more detail on this step, check out the Schedule Message tutorial in this help section. If your account is set up with an approver, you will need to complete the approval step. If your account does not require message approval, you'll see a message instructing you to click Next to continue. To submit your message to the designated approver or approvers, add any comments in the text box and click Send Approval. The approver will receive an exact copy of your message with a tag at the top that includes your comments and a link to approve or reject the email. Once the message has been approved, you'll receive a confirmation email and you'll be able to proceed to the next step. Send email is the last step in the process. This screen gives you a chance to look over the details of your message one more time before deploying the message to your contacts. You can click on the HTML link here to preview the HTML version of your email one last time. You can do the same to see the text version of your email. When you click Send Email, a pop-up window will alert you to the fact that an email is about to go out. Click OK to confirm and send your email. Once the message has been sent, a message summary page will appear. Click Refresh to update the page and see how users are interacting with your message. As always, if you have any questions, please reach out to your account representative or email support@emfluence.com.